I use GMA or CARL in the inventory of all my spare parts on board the ships, in stock management and traceability of interventions. GMA or CARL was for us the most powerful and flexible software to adapt to our company that has multiple departments with multiple functions, which allowed each person to find the specific needs they had and to meet the company's needs with a global overview of the operations of the different departments.
My first role was to establish a schedule of several phases to implement the CMMS. We established by organizing steering committees that the first phase would be to enable requests for interventions and interventions by service. Whether it is at the Harbor Master's office, the Navy, or the hotel industry. To implement this first phase, we had to make technical surveys. We recorded all the major equipment that could be found on the island. In parallel, we started to create the dashboards of the computerized maintenance management system, with all the processes to be able to start the computerized maintenance management system in test mode in September 2021, to properly adjust all the controls, both on flash and on tile touch.
Reception, sir. Hello? Yes, I will have someone come right away.
I am the technical manager for the hosting part on Paul Ricard Island. Today the CMMS really helps us with tracking all the team interventions, so all the general interventions from the reception, dining and accommodation sectors, allowing us to act quickly for the clients and satisfy the clientele.
It changed a lot of things since now we can immediately see our actions on the phone everywhere on the island. We will open the app and that's where we will immediately see the intervention requests. And from there, as soon as one is acknowledged, the technician will see that it's already taken into account, so we won't both work on the same intervention. And then once we have completed the intervention, because sometimes there can be complications, we will only finalize the intervention at that moment and we will record the exact time spent on that intervention. So it's true that for us it's a time saver and we know right away what equipment to bring. It's easier. And let's say at least we don't bother the client. We arrive right away, we fix the issue, and then we leave.
Today the CMMS CARL allows me to structure all the interventions we carry out in the port and all the processes that exist and that we have established with the ISO 14001 standard. It's a demanding standard focused on the environment. It ranges from the simple risk of a leak from a boat hold, to a breakdown of a travel lift that lifts boats, which drops the boat breaks and causes pollution. So we have in this approach to the CMMS a structure that is advantageous for this regular and precise monitoring of everything we can do.